was our Leopard tank absolutely effortless. Let's give a huge round of applause for the tanker's ability to handle such a beast. Now just like the Leopard in the animal kingdom, our very own Leopard tank is fast, mighty and strong. The Leopard tank is equipped with the 120mm L44 smoothbore gun. It is also operated with a stabilized control system. The system enables our tanks to maintain accuracy even while on the move. Ladies and gentlemen, our tank commander for today, none other than First Sergeant Choi Tian-ing, as well as operator Lance Corporal Kenny Yu. Let's give them another huge round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, our Leopard tank!